Hello, I'm Achit from USA Production, and this is part 3 of Audacity tutorial sequence. Here we'll learn about some important effects and how we can implement on our audio track. So first I want to record one audio track here to apply the effects. I have selected all the settings. For example, my microphone is selected, my output speaker is selected, as we already discussed in previous video. And simply now I will click on this record button. Hello, microphone test. This is the audio test for Audacity tutorial. And now we can play this video to check. Hello, microphone test. This is the audio test for Audacity tutorial. Fantastic. And now we'll try to give the effects on this audio. If you want to give any effect on your audio track, first make sure your audio must be selected. To select your audio track, you can use the selection tool and you can select the manual wave of your audio track. Otherwise, if you want to give the effect on your whole audio track, then you can click on this blank space and now your audio has been selected automatically. And now you can apply the effect. For example, the amplify controls your audio waves, or you can increase the volume or decrease the volume by using the simply amplification dB, something like this way. Now the second one effect that is very important for your karaoke, or if you are singing or whatever you are doing, that is reverb. Here you can copy the settings for reverb. Here the room size I want to make 100%. The pre-delay is all the way to 100%, and the reverberance is around 40 or 50, and dumping is all the way 100%, and the low tune must be 0, and the tone high I made 100%, and I take the bat gain, I take only 2%. You can go up to 6%, doesn't matter, or you can go 4%. The dry gain is 0 here, and now I can simply click on OK. And this settings is for singing. Okay, you can sing with this reverb setting. And now we'll play to check this audio. Hello, microphone test. This is the audio test for Audacity tutorial. Now, as you can see the effect of the audio, I'm gonna play again. Hello, microphone test. This is the audio test for Audacity tutorial. Fantastic. And now we'll try to give the echo effect. Okay, undo reverb. Go to echo. Echo is very similar like reverb, but reverb having more advanced tools or advanced options to control your audio track. Echo just make your delay time and decay factors. So echo is not that much advanced tool for your singing audio. I will try to give some effect from the echo 0.2. and here I want to go 0.7. hit on OK. Now I'm going to play to check this audio clip. Hello, microphone test. This is the audio test for Audacity tutorial. As you can see, just it is affecting from background. Now go to edit, undo echo, go to effect again and echo. I want to change the values, for example 0.5 or 3. Hello, microphone test. This is the audio test for Audacity tutorial. That is nice, better than before. Now there are some more important effects, for example the graphic EQ. And now you want to put some bass in your audio, bass. Okay, you can adjust manually these I don't know what is these things. You can adjust them manually if you have some knowledge about the graph. So this side up means is a bass, and this side up means is treble. And now you can click now you can apply by pressing OK. And now your audio is having some bass there in your voice.
Hello, microphone test. This is the audio test for Audacity tutorial.
Okay, and similarly, if you will go again for your graphic EQ, and here you can manage, go to the factor preset, and here you can apply treble boost. As you can see, this side is going up and this side is flat, and now we can apply the treble. Okay, and
hello, microphone test. This is the audio test for Audacity tutorial.
And now we have some treble and bass in our voice. Thank you for watching this video.